الحمد لله رب العالمين والعاقبة للمتقين والصلاة والسلام على سيد الأنبياء والمرسلين أما بعد فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الصلاة والسلام عليك يا رسول الله وعلى آلك وأصحابك يا حبيب الله. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Our beloved Prophet sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa alihi wasallam has said, Afatul ilmi an-nisyanu wa ida'atuhu an tuhaddisa bihi ghayra ahlihi. Aw kama qala alayhi salam. Means, the ban of knowledge is to forget it and telling an ineligible person a point of knowledge is wasting knowledge. In this blessed hadith, 2 points have been mentioned regarding knowledge. What is the ban of knowledge? How is knowledge wasted? Mufti Ahmad Yar Khan Naimi Rahmatullahi Ta'ala alayhi said, as wealth and health are ruined due to some calamities, knowledge is also ruined due to forgetfulness. The ban of knowledge, forgetfulness, is not a minor issue. In fact, it is a huge one. How to refrain from the calamity? Regarding it, Mufti Ahmad Yar Khan Naimi Rahmatullahi Ta'ala alayhi stated, an Islamic scholar should engage himself in Islamic activities. He shouldn't give up reading Islamic books and should keep from the habits and things which weaken memory. Sayyiduna Allama Ali Qari Rahmatullahi Ta'ala alayhi has stated that the one should refrain from the causes of forgetfulness. For example, he should neither give up revising knowledge nor should he get involved in the activities which cause his heart to be interrupted. A big cause of forgetfulness, the ban of knowledge, is sin, which weakens memory. Therefore, Sayyiduna Imam Shafi'i Rahmatullahi Ta'ala alayhi stated, Shakawtu ila waki'in su'a hifzi fa'awsani ila tarkil ma'asi fa innal ilma fadlum min ilahi wa fadlullahi la yu'ta li'asi. Translation: I made a complaint about my weak memory to my teacher Sayyiduna Waqi' Rahmatullahi Ta'ala alayhi. So he advised me to leave off committing sins. Since knowledge is a blessing from Allah Azza wa Jal, and Allah's blessings are not bestowed upon a sinner, there are some ways which can be adopted to commit information to your memory for a longer period of time. For example, one of the ways of committing a point to your memory is to repeat through whatever you have studied from the beginning to the end so that its summary gets engraved in your mind. With good intentions, tell what you study to your friends and family. That's how you can also preserve the treasure of information in your mind for a long period of time. The point which is repeated gets engraved in your heart, so keep on repeating whatever you read. Make a habit of attending Islamic gatherings. By virtue of it, not only you will have a grip on knowledge, but you will also get treasure of information. Remember, spending money causes decrease in wealth, whereas knowledge is such light that never decrease no matter how much you spread it or spend it. In fact, its light spreads more and more. However, if you mention the secrets of knowledge before an ineligible person, he won't be able to understand those points and will misunderstand them. There are 2 people who can't understand the points of knowledge or don't act upon them. Therefore, telling such people the point of knowledge is synonymous with rendering the knowledge useless. Allama Ali Qari Rahmatullahi Ta'ala alayhi has narrated, Wasting knowledge means telling a point of knowledge to such a person who is a seeker of the world and can't understand it, nor does he act upon it. Imam Bayhaqi rahmatullahi ta'ala alayhi has narrated, "Don't tell the points of wisdom to foolish person as they will deny you. In addition, do not tell invalid points to the people of wisdom as they will become angry at you."